Very good morning traders, welcome to MST School of Trading once again. So now I will show you the another setup method, trading setup method I will show you. So now I have given here one first method is using static method. This we have been using for past 11 years. Since 2011 we are using past 12 years. So now next things we have added recently about dynamic supply zone. So which for the people who wants to do trade positionally as well as for the intraday. So here the optimal time frame what you have to keep is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes and above it gives you more accuracy, and sometimes you may have to hold positional also. Otherwise you can keep in 1 minute time frame and you can trade. So it gives a consistency profit. And next one what we have here, it don't do any changes as of now. It is being tested. Okay, just have given the option to take dynamic, static and static option in the static method. Okay, in the static settings, if we enable this first sell MGR by keeping that method in dynamic, okay, so that will show you the entry and exit. So still it is not yet confirmed about the accuracy. We have been testing it. Okay, but the accuracy in 1 minute for scalping trade is good. What you can do, you have to keep in tiny 2 stop loss. Don't forget tiny 2 targets. Our ultimate aim is we should not lose more in the market. We should get more from the market. So that is why don't lose more money. When you are seeing the loss is happening, please exit from the market. You can enter later. See, yesterday buy here activated perfectly, targets hit. Here sell activated, target hit. So today it's falling to our buy zone. It might reverse from there. Okay, this is with the static with the dynamic calculation. What I have done, I have taken the static zone with the dynamic calculation. So now if we have time, just to practice. If you don't have time, just to ignore it. Don't do any changes. And this ML and DL also. ML is the default to static method, and DL, if the market is having a trending one-sided market, no, you want to find out the reversal. So that time what you can do, you can use deep learning method, so that the entry you will get little later. Okay, see here market has come here, and once again we got the entry here. So if you are keeping in ML, you will get the market very early. DL you will get little later. So two algorithms based on the current situation. See, you would have taken buy entry here, our SL is safe. Okay, but target anyway hit. But since the previous market trend was a sell trend, continuous bearish candles, so what we can do, we can simply go there and take to DL. But how many of you can do at while trading? It is very $1,000 question. So what, as of now, we kindly suggest you to not to do any settings changes. Just keep it in default mode and trade. Okay, for 3 months please explore the indicator with different settings whatever you have. Once again repeat, there are 3 to 4 settings in this indicator. One is static method. In this you don't have to do any changes, and every day come here and keep in reset settings. Only thing you have to do is change the stop loss and target depending on the script you are trading. That is the first method. And second method, I have told you about the dynamic zone. So whenever the zone breakout is happening, market is going out of the zone, then new zone will be formed. So until then new zone will not be formed. So this is the second one. And third one, today we are going to see, because already two dynamic and the static zone already I have explained to you. So today I will explain you about this, what it is, intraday bullish and top and bottom points. And here, since there was no space available, I removed the breakout level 211. Okay, now here I have kept the extra option. This breakout support point 2 for the targets and next level we can identify. This is breakout top level 2. So now you can add these two. Earlier 4 lines will be coming, Now I have made the options as giving here. So now here you can keep in 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, intraday, no issue. So now what you have to learn? You have to learn few price action patterns like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, R3C, hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, hanging man. This method. Whenever you find these methods, don't miss the trade. So now how to trade now? The breakout green color is the breakout. When it is breaking out upside towards upside and high of that candle is broken, then you have to go for the bullish side. When the low of this candle is broken, you have to go for the bearish side. Okay, it's very clear. This is different setup. We will be trading only as per these 4 lines. Only as per this 4 to 6 lines we will be trading. One, whenever the breakout green color is broken, we will be going only for the buy entry. Whenever this red color is broken, we will be going only for the sell entry. Nothing else we will be doing. Is that clear? No doubts, right? And your next target will be the previous day, which if lines are coming here, that will be the target. Otherwise, this will be your target. Clear? Similarly, here this support zone breakout it is happening, this will be your target. If there is no levels here, then the previous lines will be the target, and next level will be the target. And perfectly from here it has reversed. You can see what candle it is. We are calling it as the R3C pattern, or hammer also you can call, inverted hammer, hanging man, shooting star. We have 4 to 5 important candlestick pattern that you can find here. Perfect reversal we have got it here. Okay, see the profit. And another thing, whenever you want to know the movement, market trending movement, you have to look at the RSI value. That also I given the option here. Okay, when the RSI is above 60, it is a bullish movement. When the RSI is below 50, it is a bearish movement. So those things you can see here from the indicator settings itself. So now in today's video we have learned that how to trade using bullish and bearish breakout levels. Bullish and bearish breakout level. Okay, if green line is broken, we will be in a buy. If red line is broken, we will be in a sell. That's all, no other things. And one more thing I will show you, important point, especially for the bank nifty traders. So come to this and keep it research settings, and straight away select only previous month high and previous month low. Sorry, not previous month, previous day high and previous day low. Where it is? Yeah, here I have given option for session time breakout. You can keep any session, as well as I have given the previous day high. This is the yesterday high, and this is previous day higher high. So I am calculating last 2 to 3 previous day high. I am taking the higher high. Okay, this is the lower low, this is the previous day high. So this P trend, it is showing you the positional trend of the market. So what you have to do, if the market is breaking this PDH level, we have to buy the call option. If the market is breaching to this previous day low, PDLL, so here it is marked as PDL, we have to go for the sell. That's all. Now this is the breaking candle. We have to go for the sell side. If it is taking support from here, we can go for the buy entry. Otherwise, we should be in a sell side only. This is the another method. You will have to wait for the market to reach any level. So here what happened? What it is? Yeah, high is not broken, only low is broken. Here high is not broken, no call option. Here previous day higher low or low. So low broken, only small profit you have got, around some, how many profit? 835, 89, 60 points profit you have got, then it got reversed. But most of the time we will get some profit also. So that moment you can catch. So now market has reversed from here. And here if you find any this method, this candle, you know what this candle indicates, and after booking some profit or revised stop loss, you can go for the reversal entry. This is the another method what you can look for. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us, and do not give your account to anyone to trade in your account. They will make it very soon zero balance account. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.